In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a fingerprint unlock on your Google Pixel 8. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. Tap on that, select Device Unlock, and then here you should see the option Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Enter in your PIN. If you don't have one, you'll be prompted to create one. So if you have a PIN that you've already added to your device, just enter it in. And then choose Fingerprint Unlock. Now, as you can see, I already have one fingerprint added to my device. So if you want to add another one, or if you want to add a fingerprint, just tap on this option, Add Fingerprint. Then put your finger on this fingerprint icon. So just put it like that. Then lift and touch like that. And put your finger in different positions so that your whole finger is registered properly. So this is the status bar showing how much has been added to the device. So just keep lifting and placing. And then once the fingerprint has been added, you can choose to add another, or you can just tap on Done. So as you can see, I now have 2 fingerprints added to my device. So I can rename the fingerprints. So this first fingerprint was my thumb, so I can put that as my label. And then this second fingerprint is an index finger. So I can put index 1. Because I have more than one index finger. So I can put index 1 and then tap on OK. So whenever your phone is switched off, and all you need to do, when your phone is switched off like that, just use one of your fingerprints. You can use a different fingerprint if you'd like that. Thank you for watching. Questions or comments down below, and we'll get back to you.